In this video, I will show you how to make Star Wars A9 Vigilance using a 3D printer. First, go to Printable for download. The address is here. Click the search and enter Trooper Jan KY. Select the displayed user and select A9 Vigilance. Then press the download button like this. Let's take a look at in the file. Since it is a compressed format, please extract it. The contents of the file look like this. Now let's print from fuselage parts. Remove unnecessary supports. Add support materials where needed. The fuselage furrows should be placed horizontally with the bottom facing up. Before printing, take a look at the settings. These will make it easier to remove the support material. This will make it easier to peel off from the raft. Other settings are like this. Next is the window part. I don't know why, but there is no support material attached to this tip, so attach support materials here as well. Now comes the window parts. Place it like this so that the outer skin is horizontal. No support material is required for these parts. These are the parts to be printed in white filament. Also, place it like this so that the outer skin is horizontal. This support material is not required. Next are the red parts. And the parts to be printed in a gray filament. The printing direction of weapon mounting should be such that the part is turned over so that the bottom is level. These tiny support materials are not required. These are the parts used for the stand. Put support material in these parts. This is the part at the base of the stand. For all parts, run slice. It turned out like this. After all parts have been printed, assemble starting with the wings. First, smooth out the underside of the printed surface of the wing left with the file. Remove the uneven parts on the inside using a file. Smooth the surface of the wing bottom left too. Also remove the rounding of the corners. Now let's install the wing red plate. Remove the rounding of the corners. Install it by sliding. Apply adhesive evenly to the entire inside. Then stick them together. Use clothespins to fit both sides. Make the right side in the same way. Next is the engine. This time, the inside of the engine aft is colored. Refer to the arrows to assemble them. The engine forward will be attached to the deeper side of the hull. Please attach them like the keyways overlap. The engine aft will be attached to the shallow end of the hull. Attach them like the keyways overlap. Just like last time, attach the engine red plate to the surface of the engine. Now let's attach the engine to the wing. Place a weight on it and ensure it adheres firmly. It seems that there is a slight misalignment in this part. Fix the misalignment with a utility knife and a file. and install the wing engine fitting. Make the other side in the same way. Next is the weapon. First, attach weapon bottom salvo. Fire the edges and attach them. Next is weapon bottom cannon. Check for no angle from 3 directions: the bottom, the side, and the back. Then attach weapon mid to weapon bottom. Flatten the bottom of the weapon mid and attach it. Then install weapon mid salvo. Weapon is now complete. This time, assemble the fuselage section. First, install the fuselage window. Fit the frame tightly. Next, attach the windows to the fuselage. When a wing may not fit into the insertion slot, shave off the thickened part with a file. I got it this time. Then install the fuselage wing fitting. When I try to put it at the mounting position, there's a gap. When this happens, pull the wing out slightly from the fuselage. No gaps anymore. Keep this position for installation. Install the other side in the same way. Now let's attach the weapon mounting on the fuselage floor. Please smooth the mounting part on the underside of the fuselage floor with sandpaper. Please hold it firmly by hand during adhesion. This time, attach it to the fuselage. Make flat the adhesive surface with a file. Apply adhesive to the underside and the edge of the fuselage and the wings. Make flat the adhesive surface of the fuselage floor with the file. 2. Slightly round the corners of the tip as well. Check from the back to see if there is a gap. Next, attach the fuselage rear. It's completed. Finally, attach the weapon. Now it's done. Well then, assemble the stand. First, fire these parts to smooth out and then connect. Please push hard. Then, insert it into the center hole of the stand base. Smooth the head part of the stand mid one with a file and apply adhesive. After assembling, please check from various angles to ensure it is not installed at an angle. Display the model on the stand. You can download the model from this page.